Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zahidi bin Muhammad Hamzah. My metric number is B07170911 and I'm here today to tell you about my bachelor degree project, which is design and fabricate air batu campur filling machine. And my supervisor is Mr. Mazlan bin Ahmad Manzur. For the introduction, air batu campur is one of the most famous dessert in Malaysia. It is a cheap, sweet and refreshing dessert that is best consumed during hot, sunny days. ABC can be found overseas in countries such as Singapore, Brunei, Philippines, Thailand, Indonesia and Japan. In Singapore and Brunei, it is called ais kacang, while in the Philippines, it is called halo-halo. ABC have come a long way since its inception. Back then, the shaved ice was made using a special ice machine which had a lever that was operated by the vendor, but the machine used these days are usually motorized. For the objective of this project, it is to design an ABC filling machine and to fabricate an ABC filling machine. For the scope of study, it is to design the ABC filling machine using a computer aided design, which is AutoCAD and also Inventor. The second one is to fabricate the ABC filling machine using suitable materials such as stainless steel, food grade stainless steel 430. And the last one is using a pneumatic system for the machine to work. For the problem statement, ABC has only been made by one person and this is done manually by hands. This slows down the task for the person to make one ball of ABC because the persons need to crush the ice and then continue filling toppings. The placement of the cans of ingredient and topping that place near the ice pressure will take a mess for the process, and to fill the ice with the toppings the person need to scoop up the toppings with a spoon and this can create a mess in the workplace. For literature review, I'm going to tell you a little bit from Solanki and Raj 2020 on the topic of automated liquid filling machine. Its findings say that volume setting from one size to another size will be done by changing command to gear pump. Once it is calibrated, volume setting will be done in seconds. So it will give more production and will save a lot of manpower. From Lambo and Chawa Sarira 2017 on the topic of design of a flexible automated bottle filling machine, state that describes the design of a low-cost, flexible, automated bottle filling machine capable of filling two different volumes. For this next slide, this is comparing for three different types of machine. The first one is overflow filling machine, time gravity filling machine, and manual operation. The advantages are fully automatic, accurate measurement for container filling use for overflowing machine. For time gravity filling machine, it is economical, suitable for corrosive chemical filling. For manual operation, it is low cost and no electric current involved. The disadvantage of the overflow filling machine, it is high cost and big workspace required. For time gravity filling machine, it require the fluid path and nozzle changes for different type of fluid, and it is high cost. For manual operation, it is maybe inaccurate measurement and require more worker to get the work done. For methodology, this is my uh, flow chart for this process of project. First one is start, and then briefing about the project in detail, which is I'm meeting with my supervisor to get on his opinion for this project. Then we move on to the project design, which is I'm using AutoCAD or Inventor to generate the diagram 3D and 2D, and then go to mechanical and electrical parts, which is I'm getting the parts for my project, and then assembly project part. Uh, Next, testing. If the testing uh, is a yes, then we'll be continue to analysis, finishing testing the completed project, presentation and report, and then the end. If the testing is not working, then I have to modify back the mechanical and electrical parts and then start from there. For my first concept design, the dimension is 350 by 250 by 300 millimeter. It's using a pneumatic system that been activated by a push button, and its material is stainless steel. The second concept design is the dimension is 2,600 by 1,800 by 900. It is manually operated by hand, and the material used for this concept design number 2 is PVC and metal. For this figure out the process of the conceptual machine. First one, the push button. When we push the push button, the double acting cylinder will extend, and the piston will suck the liquid from the container into the inlet mechanism of inlet mechanism valve open through the limit switch touch.
6.
And then
PM.
the other two double acting cylinder will retract, and the piston will push out the liquid into the outlet mechanism valve open, and then the liquid will be out into the cup of the shaved ice. And this is the conceptual of the project pneumatic circuit. And this is the compressor. When the compressor is giving out compressed air to the circuit, the push button will go to this mechanism valve, and then it will this push button this other mechanism valve, two mechanism valve will touch with one of the double acting cylinder, and the other two double acting cylinder will retract, and then it will continue over and over again until we are stopping the compressor source of air. And this is the result of the 3D design which I'm using Inventor to generate this drawing. And here are the flow of the process, the procedure. As you can see, as we push the push button, the cylinder will extract. Both two cylinder will extract, and one will retract, and it will go on and on and on until we are stopping the push. And this is the video process of ABC filling machine. As you can see here, when the cylinder is extracted, it touches with this mechanism valve, and then the mechanism valve will extend these two cylinder, causing an automatic retraction for this cylinder to go up and touches back the mechanism valve over here. And it causes a flow of liquid filling into this filling tub. For this result of isometric exploded view, there are 10 part lists that are available in the machine. The first one is body, the second one is hydraulic cover, the third one is pump, the fourth one is double acting cylinder, the fifth one is nozzle, the sixth filling tub, push button, the button, and three double acting cylinder, and lastly the rectangular metal for the uh, suction pump. And this is the fabricated design of ABC, the final design that is used for this project. For this analysis on the type of hose, I'm analyzing between three different hose, which is flammable gas hose, compressed air hose, and water hose. Um, these three diameters of the hose is different. For flammable gas hose, it is 9 millimeter. Compressed air hose is 10 millimeter. Water hose is 25 millimeter. And the price per one unit is 4 ringgit, 5 ringgit, 9 ringgit. And its durability for flammable gas hose is high, compressed air hose is low, and water hose is medium. From this analysis, uh, I conclude that I'm using the water hose because it is more in the between from its durability. It's high and low water hose, so it won't get hot and it won't melt. For the analysis on the type of filling storage, uh, I analyzed between the three, these three, which is food container, cup, ice cream container, and its capacity is 2.1 liter, 0.32 liter, and 6 liter. And this three durability is different also. For food container, it is high. For cup, it is medium. For ice cream container, it is low. So I conclude that uh, I can use these three different filling storage for different purpose. If I want to make small and light, you know, I can use this cup. If I want to use for many for a longer event, I can use food container. If I want a longer event, I can use an ice cream container. But mostly I will use cup because this cup has been modified to fit the top of the uh, suction pump. For this slide, this is the time taken to fill an ABC. For this is compare between the ABC filling machine and manual operation. As you can see here, there are different flavor for filling red syrup, filling pandan syrup, condensed milk, sweet corn, peanut, and jelly. And this is the total time taken in second. As you can see here, these three pandan red syrup, pandan syrup, and condensed milk will take 8 seconds to fill, and for manual operation both these three is 3 second, 3 second, and 4 second. For sweet corn, peanut, and jelly, ABC filling machine uh, get a total time taken of 3 4 3, and then for manual operation it is 3 4 3 also. So hence the total time for ABC filling machine is 18 second and manual operation is 20 second. For this volume of each filling, the scale is low, moderate, high, and the volume of filling is different. And taking a pandan syrup, red syrup, and condensed milk. So for each different state for low, the pandan syrup get a volume of 3.33. The red syrup get a 3.66, and condensed milk get a 13.33. For moderate, it is 10, 23.33, and 23.33 for condensed milk, and red syrup. It is same. And for high, it is 29.33, 33.66, and 38.66. This is the volume of each filling that if the filling is put on top of the suction pump, it will get this volume. For this slide, this is the estimated total cost for this project. For the components, I am using roller level valve, double acting cylinder, pipe T-with clamp, push button, 5 two-way directional control valve, stainless steel, which is the food grade for the use of stainless steel, the tank, which is the food container, the filling container, the hose, the screw, the oil seal, mechanism valve, and it is total of 2300.006. For discussion, although many failings identified during the process of making the machine, but our objective for the for this project is successfully accomplished. Also, this project is successfully built within the scope of research as to narrow down the method to design and fabricate the machine. This helps to aim the best result for future researchers. Plus, it can help the trader to reduce work wages costs for as economic situation this time is in bad condition, such as this COVID-19 situation. Many workers lose their job, and then they had to start up their own business, and the price of the raw material to get is a little bit overpriced. Apart from that, the filling is interchangeable with other filling that can increase the use of this filling machine. This final project hope that it can benefited completely accepted and used and suit with the technological development in this age, and result from this project can be used for all consumers. In general sense, the process of filling using the pneumatic system was being studied to make this ABC filling machine to work. In this study, there are many ways of filling and many items was used as a medium of filling. This type of filling will be determined by the medium of filling and the scale of filling such as industrial scale. Filling of sensitive medium also determine the type of filling. As an example, the filling of an ice cream that must be in controlled temperature. Besides that, in order to achieve the same result for future researchers or project, a few changes can be made to reiterate different outcomes in such that it fits the need of customer. For recommendation of this project, the problem was found is that the filling is not well spread on the shaved ice, and the solution is to place a rotating mechanism on the bottom of shaved ice to rotate it, and use a conveyor to move the shaved ice along the filling tip. The second problem that we encounter, it is hard to change the indicator volume of filling, and the solution to this problem is to create a lever for easier change of indicator volume filling. The third problem is the button has no label, and the solution is to make and attach a new label on the button. The fourth problem is that it is no instruction to operate, which makes it hard for the new consumer to use. And the solution is to make a manual book on how to use and how to make the maintenance and how to maintain the project, machine. And the last problem is a big splash of filling flow towards the top. And the solution for this problem is to add another flow control valve on the another cylinder to control the speed of the rod. Thank you for your attention. I hope to see you soon on the Q&A session.